It's hard to imagine something in photography gear which is more boring than a tripod plate. Seems like there was no innovations for a while in this type of photography gear. But today I'm going to show you something really new and really interesting. For a while, to attach your camera to a tripod, you were forced to use something like this, something very cheap and very simple. But what can you expect from the tripod plate? It's just a piece of metal, right? When someone very smart invented the L bracket. And this thing is genius because you can attach your camera on the tripod horizontally and vertically without any need to touch your tripod. You don't need to change the angle of your ball head on your tripod. You may just take your camera out from your tripod and change the position. And you got the vertical shot or horizontal shot with the same composition, which is very important. And I was using those things, L brackets, for all my cameras for a decade. And I believe this is the most convenient thing, the thing which brings me a lot of comfort during the landscape photography session. And it seemed like there was not so much innovations in this field for a while. But today I want to show you something which just blows my mind, and I'm very happy about this 16 bucks purchase. Let me point my tripod so you can see it. So now I set up my composition with this pier, and I took a shot with this pier, and I don't want to change this composition moving the tripod. And now take a look. Isn't that just genius? Boom. One button and it's spring-loaded. So, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the first and only foldable tripod plate. This is genius. And this is the only button to operate this thing. Isn't that just amazing? And just for your convenience, affiliate link to this plate is in the description of this video. But before you click to purchase, let me show you one more thing. Do you recognize this stuff? This is the Peak Design holder. And you know what? It's compatible. It's 16 bucks. What are you waiting for? So please drop me a comment which type of tripod plate do you use and why. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to my video. And see you next time. Ciao for now.